Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add Trustpilot reviews to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started with logging into your account. So after successfully logging into your Shopify account, now you'll be greeted by the home page where at the left side screen we can see all the options and sections we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding Trustpilot reviews. What we're going to do guys is right here, the left side screen, we're going to find the apps section. Under apps, there is going to be appearing a button that says add apps, which after you click is going to open up this menu where at the bottom of the menu you can find the Shopify App Store. So click on Shopify App Store and it's going to open up this Shopify App Store where you can take a look at all the options that you have and all the apps that you can use for your store. And what we can do is right here at the top of the bar, we have a search bar at the top of the page that we can use and search Trustpilot on. So go ahead and search for Trustpilot, and this is going to give you this review option right here, which is the app made for Trustpilot reviews. So what you can do guys is get started with installing it by clicking the install process right here. Clicking the install process is going to take you to the next step where you can get started with adding and completing your Trustpilot access. So you can see after installing the application, it's going to appear right here at the left side screen under apps. So you want to go ahead and open up the application, connect your Trustpilot account to your Shopify account, and connect your reviews that are going to appear. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.